Hello, I'm Stuart Rosenthal, publisher of The Beacon. For 35 years, our free monthly newspaper has been a leading voice in helping older adults in the greater Washington area live fulfilling and enriched lives. Mark your calendars for the return of The Beacon newspaper's 50-plus Expo on Sunday, October 15th at Springfield Town Center. Join us between noon and 4 p.m. to visit with dozens of government agencies, nonprofits, and businesses. Each year, thousands of older adults and their families attend this free event, featuring valuable resources and information about retirement communities, home improvements, financial planning, healthcare, travel, fitness, and much more. The Expo is also a great opportunity to get free health screenings for blood pressure, glaucoma, blood glucose, and cholesterol. And Giant Pharmacy will be providing regular and high-dose flu shots, the latest COVID booster, the newly approved RSV vaccine, as well as vaccines for shingles, pneumonia, and tetanus. All are free to those with Medicare Part D or most insurance plans. For the first time, the Beacon Expo is partnering with the Fairfax Area Agency on Aging for their annual Venture into Volunteering Fair, with dozens of exciting volunteer opportunities for you to consider. For example, serve older adults and those with disabilities, help preserve our parks, teach a child to read, or help our neighbors experiencing housing and food insecurities. Volunteering is a great way to give back and helps to keep you healthy and connected. If you can't make it on October 15th, please join us the following Sunday, October 22nd, in downtown Silver Spring, Maryland for our Maryland Expo. For details, including information about sponsoring, exhibiting, or volunteering at either event, please call 301-949-9766 or visit thebeaconnewspapers.com/50expos. I hope to see you there.